Fed me straight to the flames, filling up these lungs with smoke till I can't breathe again. You've swallowed me open, exposed to the light again, and I'll never feel the same as if I walked away.
This journey began the day Katrusha was born. I call her Katrusha. That's Ukrainian for Kathryn.
Today, our Katrusha, Kachunya, Katrusha Marusha, Petunia Bug, and Cat will answer to yet another name, Kathryn Marika Frenchie.
Katrusha and I became friends 3 decades ago, literally 30 years ago. That math kind of blew my mind when I did it, but then I realized how lucky I was. Such a special human deserves an equally amazing partner. When Kat first told me about Richard, he checked all the boxes. She found him attractive, intelligent, funny, and family-oriented. When I met Richard myself, I was so pleased to see that all the amazing things she told me were true. Richard, you're a genuine soul, and I'm so glad you're joining forces with Kat.
Somehow we knew that choosing the name of Katerina would inspire you to become the person you are today. You possess your great-grandmother's character, spirit, and grace. Katrusha, you'll always be my princess.
Ready? Go. Oh, babe, you look beautiful. You look great.
You look very handsome. Look at you.
Babe, what's happening?
I just know that your grandparents and great-grandparents are rejoicing in heaven, and I know they are praying a blessing over you and Richard. I love you with all my heart, Mama.
I've mentioned earlier that I've known Richard since we were 13 years old. And in that time, I've watched him grow up. We've grown up together, and I've watched him grow into a man that I truly admire. He's not someone who does things lightly or halfway. Knowing that, I was pleasantly surprised a little more than 3 years ago when he asked if he could bring a date to my own wedding. When my wife and I finally met Kat at our rehearsal dinner the night before the wedding, we immediately knew that Richard had, quite frankly, hit the jackpot. I'd also be remiss if I didn't mention that I'm standing in for someone else tonight. I know that Michael is looking down on us all with love, and would have been so proud of you too today.
Make his the bride.
The man that we were praying for all these years, Richard Frenchie. From the day I met you, I was impressed. The first time I shook your hand and crushed it, you didn't even flinch.
You've both already built such a strong foundation for your forever. Kat knows what's important to her. Kat knows what's important to her. Sorry, I take that line again. And that's everyone. It is why she so fiercely values her family, her relationship with Richard, and her friendships. Kat is the one you always want in your corner, and you want to be part of her wolf pack.
As your Dido Ivan, Kathryn's grandfather used to say, Czas na swoje hniezdo. Time to build your own nest. You've met your nest building partner, Richard. I know you'll be a great wife and a dedicated mother because you've learned from the best, your mother.
They say you don't marry someone you can live with, you marry someone you can't live without. She makes me happier than I've ever dreamed I could be. And I intend to spend the rest of my life making sure that the reverse is also true.